All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is part two of the dispatch screen. Now, today we're going to cover the dispatch map. Now, the dispatch map gives us the ability to be able to see all of our jobs, all of our estimates, all of our technicians, and certain areas that we cover throughout our metroplex or throughout our region. Now, as we can look here at the dispatch map, we can see that we have with the alphabetic characters, we can see their initials there for our service technicians. We can also see the numeric values here for maybe estimates or jobs that we have scheduled in on the calendar. Now, if we come over here to the left, we can see that all of these are going to be scheduled for the 3rd. If I want to set some different filters, very similar to the dispatch grid, I have the ability to set a start date and an end date, and it automatically populate those jobs with those dates. I can also adjust some of the filters as I've seen before in the dispatch grid. Now, all of the jobs that we have right here are based off of the filters that we have. And as we scroll through here, we can see that there's a color coordination that's tied to the numeric values that we see on the jobs and estimates. So if I go to this 44 job, I can click on it and I can see that this is the estimate that's been requested. If I click on the 53 job, this is one that has been completed. And the 45 job is going to show us one that has been dispatched out. And it looks like no technician has been assigned, but we want to go ahead and get that assigned by hitting the assign button. Go ahead and typing in the technician that we want to assign, maybe one that is covered in that area, and making sure that this job is covered so that we can get to that customer in a timely manner. Now, the shapes here are what we call dispatch zones, very similar to territories or areas that we cover. And what this allows us to do is we can type in an address, and that address is going to populate right there with a pinpoint showing us exactly where it is within the areas in which we cover. Last and certainly not least, we want to be able to move forwards and backwards to kind of look at our days to see where we're going to be within the day. And we also, because we're using the Google map, we can see here the satellite view as well, if that's what you want to see. And then for those of you all who have additional displays, you can always hit this toggle full screen mode to see the entire map and to scroll in and scroll out so you all can see exactly what you need to see on this map. Thank you for joining us for tips and tricks today. We look forward to the next video.